How to travel with pets on Air France. Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can travel with pets on Air France. So how do you do it? The first step is to open your web browser, and then once you've opened your web browser, in the search box, ask the question how to travel with pets on Air France. All right, on Air France flight. So once you search it out, just click on it, and then you can now see an option displaying the pet policy, or stating that in cabin pet policy, if your dog or cat meet the requirements listed in Air France pet policy to travel in cabin, you will need an approved airline pet carrier. Pet carrier must have a waterproof bottom and have room for your pets to stand up and turn around, must fasten securely and have adequate ventilation. All right. So to check out the policy, just click on the Air France airline pet policy and then read through it. And then having read through it, if you see that your pet meets these requirements, then you can travel with your pet on Air France. But if not, you would not be able to. Now this is the requirement here. The carrier should not exceed this. Check out all of this. All right. Now the pets allowed are small dogs and cats traveling with adult passengers. All right. And then this is the age requirement of the pet as well as your reservation. You must ensure that you notify Air France that you'll be traveling with a pet. Okay, and then this is the cost. Note that traveling with pets will cost you more than when you are more than when you are traveling alone or with other um passengers. All right. So once you're done, check out all of this. Okay, service dogs, documentation, that requirement, and then once you've read through and you're sure that your pet is allowed, you can now go ahead, make all the necessary payments, make all the necessary reservations, and you are good to go. So that is it. That's how you can travel with pets on a France flight. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.